So the Prim and Prim workshops are all about giving models the opportunity to develop, to grow themselves, to learn all there is about the modeling and fashion industry. The workshops are a way for you to get first class training with industry professionals, but not only training, it's also a way for you to gain access to booking opportunities, to join the Model Association, as well as get in front of our clients directly. You can learn everything from mastering the runway. We have a part 1 and part 2 for those, to wealth, health, and nutrition. We work on business plans. We work on how to actually devise a very, very good modeling portfolio, from inclusion of your resume to your wow pictures. We also learn about things on how I guess we could say how to put yourself out there for scouts and agents if you're looking to get signed with a super huge modeling agency. So just joining a Prim and Prim workshop will give you the tricks, the trades, as well as first class secrets and know-hows on how to gain and book more job opportunities in the fashion and entertainment industry. Go to our website. Please RSVP now, book your tickets now, because space is limited.